Oh shit, look what I did. So I spent the morning pulling this damn thing out. It actually wasn't too bad. There's one bolt in the back. That was a pain in the ass. But besides that, not too shabby. I debated even pulling this damn thing out. It has a 20 psi low on cylinder number 2, so I was debating if I even should have pulled this thing out, but I'm going to. We'll just take it from there. Also, yesterday I didn't realize, but yesterday was a 50% off day. That would have been nice. Oh well, we'll go from there.